Hello everyone, this is Adam from Semantic Mastery. Sorry about the delay, just finishing up my coffee while I read this article about getting your phone number listed in Google. So this is kind of interesting. Obviously not just Google, but the search engines, and getting your phone number to come up in the results. So this is kind of an interesting one, and it's got to do with markup on your website. So I think most people are familiar with the organization markup. If you go over to or the schema creator, which is kind of a handy one for spitballing this stuff. Let's say we have our business on our URL at ourbusiness.com. Well, that's all well and good, and you get your code out. You can pop that into your website on the contact page. Great, you've got some markup that identifies your URL. Suspiciously lacking here is phone number, but that's easy enough to add in as another item type. But what that doesn't do is allow the search engines to call this out, and specifically Google. I believe this has to do with a patent, but I'm not going to dive into that right now. But what you need to know about this is that it's a contact point. So what this identifies is for a national or global contact points for your business. You can identify a number, and then you've got subtypes for it. In this example, they have customer service. This is just additional data you do not have to specify, but you can. So Google's even got a pretty good sheet listing it out, and they've used Nest in their example. So here's a search result. They've got a phone number here, and it says consumer. That just means it's probably their consumer contact point. If you scroll down, they say too, is you've got to have your organization record specified, and then you've got your contact point, and that's all you have to have is contact point, and then you define what the telephone number is. It could also be further listed as customer support, tech support, all this stuff. And they give an okay example, but what you can also do is see it. You can look for, there's different places like getschema.org that show good examples. This one they're using Samsung, and so you can head over here and see how they did it, adding their own text, giving it as a contact point. So this is pretty handy and easy to add into a website, and it'll help you get your phone number showing. But again, this is for a national or a global contact number. If you want some more information on semantics, Semantic Mastery, we provide information on this as well as other information to help you out. Head over to semanticmastery.com. Thank you.